How's it going, everyone? This is the Canon EOS R6 Mark II. This is the body only package, and we're going to unbox it so I can show you everything that's inside. So let's go ahead and open this one up. So we got some Canon Connect instructions, some regular instructions, which I'm sure you guys don't really care about. We've got the battery, which we are going to have a quick look at the battery here. The battery model is the LP-E6NH, in case you want to pick up an extra one with your purchase. So there it is. And then we've got the plug-in charger for it. And this is the one that plugs directly into the wall right here. So it's got that little pop-out prong right there. And then your battery itself will just go right in just like that. And then you just plug it in and it will charge. And it's got the charging light on there as well. So that's handy to have. And we'll take this plastic tray out, and then we've got our EOS R6 Mark II strap, which I probably won't use because I'm using this as a studio camera. And here is the camera itself. We'll move the box aside, and it's in this nice kind of packaging right here. Let's go ahead and pull that out, and there we have the body itself. We'll have a look at the back. So it comes with the screen collapse closed. This one has the wheel on it. It's got even the little joystick right here, which is really cool. And if we look on, let's go ahead and look at the side here. So we got our microphone and our headphone jacks. And we've got our little lock right there. And then we've got our HDMI and our micro USB right there. So there's your side. On this side, we do have pop outs for our two micro SD cards. So you can put two micro SDs in here, or sorry, regular SDs, not micro SDs, they're the regular SD cards. So definitely you can put those in there. So there's two of them, which is super handy. And on the top right there, so we have our switch. We've got our on off lock, record button, function button. We've got the actual switch for our camera and our video. And there we go, all around. And then we look on the front right here, this little thing will turn. And there we have the shutter, which is protected right inside of there, but very, very cool. We take this little out right here, and there is our swivel screen. So very, very nice camera. That's everything included in the box and a quick overview of the camera itself.